Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, my name is Ada, so let's cook with Ada. So for this chicken curry sauce we are going to be making today, you'll be needing your chicken. So I have this chicken breast I already chopped up, and I also have my drumsticks. You will need a cornstarch, some mixed vegetables, some green bell peppers, some yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, just all the colors you can think of to make it colorful and nice. You're going to be needing an onion as well. And this is actually my grounded pepper. Like, it's very hot, not the usual pepper. This is very hot, so that is what I like using because I love spicy food. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and start. I already washed my chicken. I didn't want to go through showing you guys all that, so we don't waste time. So I'm going to be cooking my chicken, saucing it and doing all of that. And this is the main part because the chicken what's it called, the chicken stock is what you will need to cook the food. So you, at this point, you have to sauce it up real good, adding all the sauce you want to add, everything to make your food tasty. This is the level where you need to do all of that. So I'm adding some grounded what is it called, curry. Some grounded ginger, some grounded onion, or granulated onion. I'm going to be adding some garlic as well. And then a little bit of nutmeg in there. I'm not really used to putting saying 1 spoon, 2 spoon and all that because I already know what I'm doing, but you can just you know what you're doing, like do yours. Maybe you can do 1 spoon, 2 spoons or anything like that, but I'll try to put in the description box. I'll try to put in spoons because I really know I just eyeball it because I'm used to doing this, but I really know in spoons what it should be. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll put it down there in the description box so you can easily follow that and do yours. So you can see how that is looking. I already sauced everything, so now no water or whatsoever, just cover it and it will steam up. And so now I'm chopping up my onion so I get it ready as well. And I am also going to be chopping up all the green bell peppers, the red bell, all the peppers, anything that has to do with peppers. So yeah, if you're new on here, my name is Ada and I love cooking. I'm not a professional chef or anything, but I enjoy cooking. So that is why I decided to start up this channel. If this channel, just go through my channel, see the videos I have on here, and if it looks like what you like seeing, and I know you will love it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well, so that you know whenever I post any new video and you wouldn't miss any of my uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in and supporting your girl. Like, you guys, I can't believe that I am going to be hitting 300 subscribers very soon, and I am so happy. Like, I don't even know, I am just so happy. I've just been watching the numbers increasing and all that. So whatever brought you to my channel, I'm thinking the air fried chicken thing. Thank you for coming and thank you for supporting and subscribing. You're welcome. If you feel free also to leave any food you feel like you want to see on my channel, feel free to leave that on the in the comment section, and I will definitely do that. Any type of food. I basically don't do like, okay, I'm Nigerian, but I basically don't just cook Nigerian food because I love cooking and exploring. I just love cooking anything, so I cook all types of food from different cultures, so if there's any type of food you would love to see, do go ahead and leave that in the comment section and I will definitely do it. Okay, so welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Yeah, very important. It helps my channel. Like this video and also share this video. That is very, very important, so other people can get to see my channel and check me out as well. Yeah, leave a comment down below because it helps my channel as well. Thank you so much as you do that. Click on that like button. Yeah, give me a big thumbs up. And please, if you try this out, do let me know. You will love it. Like, you will love it. I promise you. So now we are back to check on our chicken, and you see why I told you not to add water, because just look at that. There's water when you didn't even add water, so just more like steam. That way the sauce gets into the chicken real good. So now I'm going to be adding my cut onion in there, and this is the time I'll be adding my water, because the water I am going to be adding now will be what I'll use to cook the rest of the food. So you keep watching and keep learning. Yeah, I don't know why I sound excited today, so I added a little bit more coriander or curry, whatever you want to call it, because of course this is chicken curry sauce. So yeah, and this is where I'm adding all my water. So depending on how big you want your sauce to be, that is how much water you're going to add. So I did that and I covered it up and cooked my chicken some more, and then the chicken is ready. We are going to be taking that out now, just the chicken out, and then continue the cooking. So this chicken, the drumsticks that I'm taking out, I'm still going to shred them just like the chicken breast and also pour them back into the pot. So I didn't have enough chicken breast, that's why I used the drumstick, and I'm going to be shredding them back, cutting it into little pieces and then pouring it back to the pot. So that's basically it. So now I added some of that mixed vegetables, and I'm now also going to go ahead and add in all my peppers. Like, look at how colorful that is. It is so beautiful, you guys. This looks so beautiful. It looks so good, and just like it looks good, it tastes amazing. Like, you need to try this out. It also tastes so good. So of course, after adding that, I'm going to mix everything in there. And always make sure you check, to know if the salt is okay in it. If everything is okay, you can always add more, so this is my cornstarch mixed in water. I'm going to mix that thoroughly. Cornstarch, this is to thicken the sauce, so practically for thickening, that's it. So I'm going to pour that in and cover my pot and leave it to boil. So this is the chicken, the drumstick that I shredded, and I'm pouring them back inside the pot. So after this, you check, depending on how thick you want your sauce to be. That depends on how the quantity of the cornstarch you're going to add in. So, and you can always add cornstarch if you feel like it's cooking and it's not thick enough. You can always add a little more cornstarch. So this is what it's looking like. I'm going to cover that up to cook. And now we are back. This is what we have here, and you can see this is the how thick I like my sauce to be. You can do yours, just do whatever, it is your food, so do whatever you like with it. As long as you love it, that's all that matters. Okay, so this is what the sauce is looking like right now, and I'm going to be having this with white rice and maybe fish or something. I'm definitely going to be showing you guys because I need you to go to make this for yourself. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family so they can also learn how to make this delicious dish. Okay, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. So this is what I ate mine with. This is, I had white rice with the sauce. You guys, it was just amazing. That's all I'm going to say. Just go get yours. It was just amazing. Okay, and I really enjoyed myself. So that's, as you can see, I enjoyed myself. So if you decide to try this out, please don't forget to tag me. And also, yeah, you always forget, follow me on Instagram at cookwithada. Yeah, let's link up on Instagram. Yeah, let's be friends on Instagram as well. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.